Hello guys, what's up guys? It's Quinn from Quinn's Universe. We're at Discovery Community Park. Let's go!
What?
Oh no!
Are you trapped?
I think so.
You think you're trapped?
Like climbing? Can you?
I will do it after you, but right now I want to see you do it.
We're gonna go through the roof.
You're gonna go through the roof.
There's a hole right there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're not gonna fall to the ground, right?
No, there's a ground there.
Oh, the net's gonna catch you?
Yeah, no, that thing.
Oh, okay, okay. I'd love to see that.
No! How? I'm not gonna do it.
You just have to go over the top.
What are you screaming for?
They're just having a good time.
We're like, I don't want
Yeah, believe me, you scream like that almost every day.
to like that, like
Yeah, okay. Well, you scream every day.
not at least the one.
Okay. What now?
I don't know.
All right. All right, he's coming on down. What's he gonna do next?
I already told you I'm gonna go up this way.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Need to pay attention then. You are like a spider climbing a wall.
It's not really a wall.
Well,
Whatever.
it's a roof? A what? What would you call that?
I don't know.
Okay.
So I don't know.
An IDK.
How do I do that?
Are you stuck again? There you go. Ah, you made it.
Yay.
Good job.
I'm gonna go down.
Now you're going down? Nice. Woo!
Help me.
How did you get stuck in there? Can you get through? You gotta crawl.
Okay, then I did it wrong.
Go ahead and try again. Ah, here he comes.
No. I got one.
There you go.
It's getting tighter and tighter each time.
I think they're the same size, Quinn.
They're like tighter, like less wobbly.
Oh, okay, okay.
Two more to go.
Nice. You're almost out. Such athleticism. Such skill. Quinn, the floor is lava.
No. Are you just kidding?
That's a JK. No lava.
Thank goodness.
Because you got one more to go. It's okay if you have to touch the floor. One more, one more. How'd you do it before?
I don't know.
Oh, try. No face plant. Last one. There you go. You made it.
Can I get through this one?
I don't know, but you're good. You made it to the end. Safe. Quinn, what is a giggle box?
I don't know. This, whatever this is.
So you turn it and it makes sounds?
It makes electricity too.
What? That's the giggle box? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's climbing the wall again. Can you go lateral? Can you go to the side? Oh, look at him. He's climbing sideways. Nice. Very nice. Look at him go.
Daddy! Daddy!
And back down. Yeah, good job.
I don't think I can do it up there.
You can try.
No, I'm good.
You're good? Okay. Oh, man. You gonna do a 360? You gonna go over the top?
No, I don't think so.
You have to just swing with your legs. There you go. Nice. Try not to touch the ground. What are you doing?
Hold on.
Hold. What are you doing?
I don't know.
You trying to spin?
When I let go, it's gonna spin.
Yeah? Alright, well, go ahead.
Once I did it so far, I had to lay down.
Alright, well, let's go.
Damn it, no! It was not meant for this.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to use a swing.
I know, right?
Okay. What are you doing now?
That one's worse than the one at aftercare.
Oh my gosh. It's a wobbly bridge.
I hate this.
You don't like the wobbly bridge?
This one's lumpy.
Whoa, there you go. What are you doing now?
I don't know. I'm a baby.
You're a baby? A big baby? Hold on, baby. Yeah!
No!
Hold on, one more. No? Okay. Oh, man. Now you're good? Are you sure? Hold on. There you go.
Goodbye, baby.
You're such a trip.
Thanks for watching. Hit the bell, subscribe, and like button.
Don't fall out. Bye, guys.